The mystery of durian's yellow fleece, from the microscope to the turbulent body. This is one of the most controversial treasures in the fruit world, encased in a terrifying spiked shield. Hidden within is soft gold that sparks a war between love and hate. Look, this is what durian flesh looks like after being crushed and thinned on a microscope slide to see the details clearly. For some, the aroma is heavenly music. For others, it's an assault on the senses. But today, we're not just going to smell or taste it. We'll dive deep, look at it through a microscope, and uncover the scientific secrets behind every quirk that makes this fruit so special and so dangerous. Why is its flesh so bright yellow? What actually happens inside our bodies after eating it? And the biggest mystery, how can this fruit be both a king and a prisoner? Let's begin our scientific adventure. Our journey begins in the heart of the humid tropical rainforests of Borneo, Sumatra, and the Malay Peninsula. It was there, hundreds of years ago, that wild durians were first discovered. Our ancestors saw this strange fruit with its spear-like skin and gave it a perfectly logical name, durian, from the Indonesian word duri. But then came European traders and explorers. Imagine their bewildered faces when they first saw and smelled this fruit. There was no equivalent on their continent. There was no word in English, Portuguese, or Dutch to describe it. So they adopted the local name. Durian sailed out of the archipelago, becoming an international word accepted in every language. This is proof that when something is truly unique. Now, let's take another look at the yellow flesh under the lens of our imaginary microscope. What exactly gives it such a captivating yellow color? The answer lies in a remarkable chemical transformation. When durian is young, its flesh contains chlorophyll, the same green pigment found in leaves. But as it ripens, a switch called the hormone ethylene is flipped, destroying the chlorophyll. And the carotenoid pigments that give carrots, pumpkins, and egg yolks their yellow and orange colors are revealed. The deeper the yellow, the more often it indicates ripeness and high antioxidant content. But the magic doesn't stop at color. The texture is soft and oily. It's a sweet, physical illusion. Ripe durian flesh is filled with simple sugars, sucrose, fructose, and glucose, a product of the breakdown of starch. And now, we come to the biggest point of contention, the scent. How can one compound be considered a heavenly perfume by 1 billion people, and the smell of rotten socks by another billion? The science starts with sulfur molecules. The same sulfur compounds that give rotten eggs and natural gas their smell are also abundant in durian. But here, they combine with esters, compounds that give fruity aromas. The result is a very complex and powerful aroma cocktail, like onions, caramel, and fruit mixed together. So why the different reactions? It's a meeting of biology and culture. Our sense of smell is directly connected to the memory and emotion centers of the brain. For many Southeast Asians, the scent of durian is associated with childhood memories, family celebrations, and enjoyment. Their brains are already programmed to associate it with something positive. For those who didn't grow up with it, the brain simply receives a crude chemical signal. Warning, strong volatile sulfur compounds detected, and perceive it as a threat. So, it's not about whose nose is better. It's about whose memories and culture are stronger. Let's say you're brave and devour some of this durian flesh. A few minutes later, something strange happens. Your chest feels warm, even hot. It's as if a small reactor has been ignited in your stomach. Is this a myth? Absolutely not. This is pure science. There are two main culprits behind this phenomenon. First, the sulfur compounds mentioned above can trigger a vasodilation reaction, a widening of blood vessels that increases blood flow and creates a warming sensation. Second, your metabolism is working hard. Digesting durian is no easy task. Your body has to process this carbohydrate and fat bomb. The digestion process itself produces heat, a phenomenon called thermogenesis. So, the heat you feel is the sound of your cells working overtime to conquer the king of fruits. This is a sign that durian is no ordinary snack. It's a serious workload for the digestive system. So what's in this workload? A serving of durian is a dense, energy-packed nutritional package, rich in vitamin C for immunity, potassium for the heart, fiber for digestion, and various B vitamins. However, its extremely high sugar content can spike blood sugar, making it a real threat to diabetics. Its abundant potassium, which is good for a healthy heart, can actually be toxic to people with kidney failure, whose organs cannot filter out excess potassium. The remaining green color, even though the flesh appears yellow macroscopically, is a key indicator of a ripening process that is not 100% complete or a characteristic of a particular variety. The black circles visible under the microscope are calcium oxalate crystals, vacuoles full of organic compounds, and early signs of oxidation or degradation processes. How do you feel about durian now? Are you more curious or more afraid? Are there any other food mysteries you'd like to uncover down to the scientific level? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell as we delve deeper into the scientific wonders of everyday life. See you on our next science adventure.